5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Small in stature, a giant in performance. Introducing Typhon Stomp 509. Powered by a 25 HP Kubota diesel engine. EPA certified, built reliable. Lifts 840 pounds, reaches over 3 meters. 3,100 pounds of agile power. The ultimate compact workhorse. Width of 1,065 millimeters and height of 1,940 millimeters. Dump reach of 560 millimeters. Handle feed and hay bales. Carry material in tight spaces. Move soil and mulch with precision. Haul debris in tight spaces. Clear snow in tight driveways and walkways. From farm to construction site. Built for real-world challenges. The Typhon Stomp 509. Big jobs, small spaces, no problem.